Hi guys, I'm back month 5 on this journey. So guys, this journey has been going by so fast. I cannot believe that it's been 5 months that I have not combed my hair. So what's going on in month 5? Just growth, you know. My hair is just doing its own thing. You know, everybody locks is different. Again, they are locking, they're flourishing. I'm trying not to bother them. Here I'm just showing you guys, you know, up close look of my locks, and I'm just enjoying the journey. I'm low-key with my locks, and your girl is on Snapchat, you know, playing with these filters before I head to the beauty supply.
Lock jewelry. This is cute.
Yeah, we're just gonna skip over the whole retwist. I think they still look good without it. So, you know, I'm loving my frizzies, and I'm satisfied, you know. I'm still about that simple life, and when I do, you know, stir my hair, I love castor oil, my goodie bands, and I just do a simple, put the hair in a little side pony, have a little bang, and I'm good. Like, I'm so good with that. That's my go-to style. That's it. Castor oil. Now, I love me some castor oil, but I didn't know you can just spritz it on your hair. Oh, maybe I'm late, but I grabbed me some. I also picked up some growth oil. Something about this oil I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and I got it now thanks to my LOCS. And I still use my staple extra virgin olive oil. It's very convenient, so it's still one of my favorites. 5 months in, still loving my locks. Hoop life. Bold lip. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe.